I want to talk about this on a big man level. You see my ancestors, them very powerful. You see when people rise against me for no reason, my ancestors, them take it upon themselves and damage people. You see me? But now I go take this moment to rejoice and tear down shitty done. See? Me go say shitty done. Get help. Get help. Get right with God. See? Me now go come here and say a good and this and that array, but my ancestors them deal with their wicked. But what me I say is you have to seek God. Seek help. You understand what I say? Search within yourself and reason with God and sort out yourself. Because I tell them long time and I say you really have issues. There's a confused being. Because you're not sure where you're there. Someday you get up, you ball and say you're a woman and dress like a woman, and then the next day you ball and say you're a man and you hood longer than next man hood, and you're confused. So really and truly me now want I could have come out and say the worst things about you, but I can't say that. Because I know you need help. You understand what I say? So even when you're out there tear me down and the people them tell me, oh yeah, got excited and ready, I know the ancestors them that got caught in. But that's why I'm gonna follow you. But even now, I don't want them really rub you out completely. I like you get help. So more you have to pray hard. You understand? More you have to reason with God. And don't cuss God. And don't cuss your parents. Because your mother look like a very nice lady. When I see your mother, I realize there's something really wrong. And you understand, you have a terrible mishap. I don't know if it's a biological mistake or what happened to you. But you need help. And the only person who can help you is God. I not rejoice. So if God willing to free you up, and if the ancestors them willing to give you a blight, and you can come back in America and live nothing wrong, but change your lifestyle. You're a lesbian and you choose to be a lesbian, and that's your choice. But at the end of the day, if you remember, say God not like you, not me not like you, because we gonna say me I do hate crime, I do not hate crime. Please quote me, God do not like you. See? So when you are gallivant and go on in a realm of dirty life, God really just going to chance to hang on yourself. I mean, I change my thoughts and my stance. When you're sick, when you're confused, when you need mental rehabilitation, when you need to assess on your thought process. You understand what I say? So, because you depend on your life every day, I say, man, not to beat woman, and you play the role of a man and beat your woman. So, you're totally confused. You understand what I say? So, you need help. You need help. And when you hear this, you can trace me and do anything you want, but me I give you logical advice. You need to go get counseling. Me feel that all lesbians and gays are really confused people who don't really know right from wrong. They're very confused. You understand? So, may I beg you, please, put it down, go up on your knee, pray, talk to God, tell him everything where bother you. Tell him every single thing where bother you. And ask him to give you the answers them or to recover yourself. You understand what I say? So big up yourself, pretty Dan. Me not like your kind, because God not like your kind, but me still now wish the worst for you. More than like you get help. You understand? Good. Anyway, more can me do and address the situation from the first time I come live. Because me not depend on disrespect run, and me not depend on hype on nobody kind of thing, right? Me man just always talk the truth, and I just some mistake, me talk the truth. Zin? Wally British. Me really kind of confused with how Wally British deal with the situation. You understand me I say? Because me not understand how you can never diss somebody or never do somebody nothing bad yet in their life, and them just get up and feel like they want to disrespect you and tear you down. One time I did do a video where I say, be careful of the enemies, not the ones you created, but the ones that created themselves. And this internet thing, I make people lose themselves. You understand what I say? Them want the views so bad, and them want the clout so bad, and then Foota is the clout giver. Foota is the person where you can attack and everybody repost, and Foota the person where if you say something bad about him, you get million views and you get this check in your account. You see me? So everybody now, I just go up on a rampage with this Foota just for say yes, them get the views and them I get a check. Because a lot of the followers don't know, say, Facebook give a bigger check than YouTube. Zine? So, when them diss me now, them put it on YouTube and then put it on Facebook and then they make a money. Me not have no problem with it not try and make money. Zine? So, but me never diss Wally British yet. Me never ever have nothing bad to say about Wally British yet. Wally British are actually somebody where me like. Because she thick and she sexy and she have a nice pair of breasts and thing. You know, she not the cutest person, but she fix up herself and look good. So, me like her. Zine? If it did that, me should have get one or few or three. You understand? But, me get to realize one. Sometimes me say something where touch people's soul and motivate some people. And the same thing will motivate some of the people that will listen to me. It hurts some people. Zine? So, Wally British are one of the people them when me say things for my life will hurt her because of things that she got through in her personal space. Now, me not have no control over that. Me not have no control over what happened in her personal space. I mean, I got tell you no what happened in her personal space because me not come for tear her down. But more she watch this and know say, you treat me unfair. And you go and you class me and you do a bag of things and you shouldn't do that. Because I never ever this year. And now me have information where me can come tear you down and make people look by your way. And me not gonna do it because it's not your fault either. You just make the wrong people them in your household and foolish happen. But Foota I not gonna do that. The more you look into yourself and realize that Foota never this you. And you diss the king and the whole world. Sit down and wait for the king fix slaughter you know, when me can do so easy. Because me have information from people where me never catch up with. Me have information from people where me never argue with yet. Me and them never turn enemy yet. And me have information where me can write off them career. The whole on up on the internet where I go on and I kill up on myself. Me have information from the whole on my phone heavy like lead. And me choose not to do it. So enough you get up and because of money. You don't want to tear down people because of money. Because Facebook I give this check. And because Instagram I give this check. You understand? You are a woman. Me don't want to come on Instagram and in a tracing with you. Because you're a woman. And you're a female who me check for. Me always see a party, me show you love, me never this say yet. These are the things that make me wonder more time if people are go crazy. If because of cloud people are go make them dead. Alright, me will take it. Because me know me a viral king, so everybody will come. You know go diss some people where I go kill you no. You know go diss some people where I go kill you no. Me no want to make nobody Obi, I don't like how them Obi and Nicky Blacks. And God save her. Sometimes you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Because you can't just get up on these people when you do nothing. Me not doing nothing wrong. Me never say nothing offensive about you yet. You see me? And why may I tell you? Me don't know. Zine? So, Wally British, me not hate you, me not have you. Me just want you to realize, say, don't make money be the pivot point of how you live your life. You understand what I say? Please don't do that. See me? Think and assess what you do before you do it. See? Alright. I want to say this now. Condolences to Kobe Bryant. People remember say enough thing me not talk about yet, you know. Because I in jail 4 months, you know. So I whole heap of sitting me have to chat about it, but I have to do it day by day, piece by piece. Zine? Zine? Boom, so now, me not repeat what she said about me. Tifa 2020. Me not repeat what she said about me. Me not get into that. Me done here and only done here. Only did out here and me did lock up on me here. So if me dey jail and here, only must here. Me not gonna relive that moment there. Me just want she know say me not depend on something there with her. You understand what I say? Watch this now. Kobe Bryant. Condolences to Kobe Bryant. R.I.P. Kobe Bryant and him daughter, Zine, and all the other people them were dead in the helicopter crash. Very sad story. Very, very touching. Very art movie. We never expect a Kobe Bryant to go. Jordan still alive. So who do you think say Kobe Bryant come dead before Michael Jordan? Me never pre that. When me hear it, me feel sad because Kobe are one of the best. You know, say Jordan, then Kobe, then LeBron. See? So, me the kind of feel away when me hear. But then me start pre the news now. Because me the jail and me listen to radio and me listen and me not think, alright, you remember when Nipsey Hussle dead, right? And me telling you something I like how him wife deal with the situation. She never look sad and she attack too strong. She not seem emotionally stressed. When me emotionally stressed, me can't talk good. Cold run out of my nose, water run out of my eye, me ball like cow. So, me not understand. Them too strong for me. See? Now, Kobe Bryant wife now. To me, Kobe Bryant wife seem like she all about the money. See? Like, every speech she make is like a money she a deal with. Like, it make me a wonder if, it come like, it make me a wonder say, do you really know who you're with when you're with somebody? No, like really and truly. When you're there with somebody, like you have your life partner, you say, she, this, your spirit. Do you really know that person? Because to me, it come like most of them basketballers, not have no real woman, Most of them basketballers, it not look like them have no real woman. Zine? It's like the basketballer them come some woman, married some woman, and them call them basketball wives. See? Me not adwally, because this is not something for argue about or have a debate. Big up yourself, Wally British. You know what you say.